Hey y'all, it's Jaylon. My apologies for not explaining this in the last video on how to use this. I was just really excited to show you guys. On top of that, I didn't have everything I wanted in there yet. So before I went into explanation, I at least wanted to give you guys some more content. So to start off, you have all of these buttons down here: build mode, play mode, extend, undo, and etc. Build mode is what you'll be doing anytime you want to build. If you're in play mode, it'll play the level and you will not be able to build or do anything of such sorts while you are in that mode. Extend is, it'll basically extend the map and it will double it. So however many blocks it is so far, it will double that. I need to fix it because I don't necessarily want it like that, because sometimes levels can get too big. You have the undo button and redo button, which is self-explanatory. The create code and load code is for after you get done with the level creation, or anytime you want to save it, you'll press create code and you'll take that code and you'll copy and paste it somewhere else. So my guess is after you extend it maybe 3 times, I think you might be able to do it 4 at the max. It will not be able to fit in your notes anymore, and you'll have to use like some type of HTML app or Google Docs or something else that can store large code or large text basically. The ground, as you guys can see, is I got all different types of ones in here. You got dirt, stone, water, trick, sand, concrete, booster, and red. So some of you may have seen the dirt, the stone, the water. The trick block is a block that's black, and when it turns yellow, it basically shocks you and you die, and you go back to the start or whatever last checkpoint you had. You have the sand, which seems like a normal block at first, but once you get on it, it's slightly, just a tiny bit slower. Concrete, normal. My apologies, y'all. I had to do a cut in because I tried to show off the booster, which is the new ground feature, which when you jump on top of it, it will make you go up in the air. I tried to demonstrate it and it started lagging. So let me see if I can do it now. So with the booster, you basically just set it down, you go up to it, you jump on it, and then from there, that's what it will do. It's going to be a very useful block. I know a lot of these things, like when you look at it, it might seem simple, but once you actually see it in level creation, then you'll see what I mean. So I'll be demonstrating some of those levels that I've created with these new features in another video. Both of these will probably go up at the same time. Who knows? But back to build mode. The enemies, you have the walker, the bird, the roughhouser. The roughhouser is a new enemy that's basically made to throw you off track. So you basically place the roughhouser somewhere, and let's say for example I'm jumping or I'm trying to move. If you move and you're right there where he's at, you won't be able to jump and he'll push you back a little bit. But I do have to fix it because it's not exactly like how I want it. But basically he's supposed to be like, let's say you're on a ledge or something and they're on there, you're supposed to avoid them, otherwise they'll throw you off. That's pretty much what that's for, but it's not doing what I want it to do. But it's cool. I'll fix it eventually. New obstacle, you have a plant shooter, which, ooh, I did not mean to put that in the ground. Basically, when you are 7 blocks in front of it, it will shoot you. Originally, it was 10. I had to change that because that's ridiculous. I might change it to 6. I don't know, but I think 7 is a perfect number. So once you get 7 blocks, it'll shoot at you. These things that you will see are the remaining features, such as the other obstacles, the checkpoint feature, the scroll feature, and the field feature. The checkpoint feature, self-explanatory. The scroll feature is for when you extend the world and you want to try to edit the rest of it. And the field feature will fill the background of whatever world, that's currently right there. So if you fill in the first one with water and then you extend it, that second part, you can fill it in with whatever you want to fill it in with.